Makeup in mommy and son.
Scientific. Now you make makeup for mommy, and next you naman. Notebook makeup.
Yeah, I want to help you.
Okay.
I want to help this one.
This one. Oh, I want this.
Okay.
Oh, here, this one, this one.
Oh.
Small, only small. Yeah, and then here. Okay. 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 Okay, thank you. Ay! Oh my God! What did you do?
Rainbow.
You get the wet wipes.
It's like rainbow, 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 rainbow. Next.
Lipstick.
Dead.
Dead again. Lipstick. I will darken this one.
Okay.
Yan na sa akin.
Okay.
My lips. Okay. This one. Okay, thank you. Why?
Baho.
Ba?
Yeah.
Ba? Paano lang ibaho?
It's like one, this one.
Mom, I will combine it with. Okay. Thank you.
Baho. Baho.
Ano ba? Kaloka kang bata ka eh.
Blue.
And that's it, guys. Our simple makeup at home. Bye.
Bye.
Who make makeup of mommy? Who?
Ow.
Why?
Sakit. Sakit.
Okay, I'll do makeup for you.
I want this one.
Not that one.
Oh,
Mommy. Eyebrows.
I want happy.
Okay. Other side. Meron?
It's like your eyebrows.
Eyebrows. Ito. May highlighter pala, pero we will not use it. This one. Let's make, this one is blush.
Yeah?
The pink one is good for you. Close eye. Other side. Alam mo, sobrang ano ng skin niya, kaya hindi kinakapitan ng makeup. Walang pores, kaya walang kapitan ba. Okay, lipstick for you. This one. Kalitis. Ganda. You want eye, we will not put in your eyes kasi it might go to your eyes. Okay? Let's take picture. Ganda.
Mommy.
Good. Very good.
So you daddy this.
Here, the lipstick.
Look, it's like
You want red?
in.
Mommy.
Oh, it's like red, mommy.
Red, mommy.
Yeah.
Again?
Where's red?
Okay.
It's kind of red.
Gusto niya red daw lips.
Ay, ito.
Sukat ako sa
Ay, wow. Ay, ito.
Blush on, blush on. Okay na, okay na. Okay.